Hi, I'm Nicole Jolie. Welcome to video number 2 in the Trust Community series. I have been wanting to do a series on LinkedIn on my page for so long, and I haven't had the courage or the guts. Both of those mean the same thing. And I also haven't really decided what I wanted to discuss that would make sense for the listener. As I have been working with these two clients, actually 3 clients, but 2 clients that I'm going to share with you, I have realized that there's so many times that I'm asked, what do I do? What do you do, Nicole? What do I do for money? Today, I'm going to share with you what I do, and also what I've been doing and what I've been using to do what I do. The Trust Community is a series about creating communities that are built for people who have a commonality and want to engage with others in a trustworthy space, in a safe, trustworthy space. When I started working with these 2 clients, I started working on WordPress, which was something I've been doing that for 15 years on and off, and many other well-known software programs or platforms. What I've noticed is each time that I start building something, I get excited about it, and then the technical issues start to pile up. And it's not like, oh, okay, well, I'll fix this one thing and it's fixed. It's consistent, it's constant, and it's a little overwhelming, to tell you the truth. What I have found is every time I get into a project like that and I have to build something for someone who either wants that specific platform or I'm convinced that's what they need when it really isn't what they need, it becomes kind of a mess. Honestly, it's difficult to finish the project because there is just so many technical difficulties that go along with that. And all of a sudden, before you know it, my fee is getting eaten up by other software developers who I need to hire to help me fix the mess, fix the problems, fix the issues. It becomes kind of a regret to a certain extent, which is sad. And I'm being very honest with you that is really what a lot of the projects that I've been on have become at times. So I have found a platform that I really love using because it's simple, but also because it builds community. And the owner of the platform, the developer, the brain behind the platform, the light bulb that is behind this platform is a woman. She has created this platform to do one thing and one thing only: build trust communities. That's all it's meant for. That's it. And when you stick to one thing and you're really good at one thing, it pays off. A lot of people say that you get rich in a niche. All these memes, I call them memes. I don't know if they're quotes to you or memes. It's a bunch of people putting out things that sound good, but in practicality, either they've never used them or they've never worked like they're telling you to work, or they don't even know what they're talking about. Today, I'm going to share with you the trust communities that I'm building. And I'm going to share the back office of 3 of those trust communities. 2 of them are in progress, and 1 of them is built. The reason I'm doing this, I feel the need to share with the people who follow me who I am and what I do. And I've been out there, you've seen me with long hair, and my look has changed, and people are very interested in the way you look. It's pretty sad, actually, that that's the first thing that they comment on. And I have not had the courage or the confidence to put myself out there with a changed look until now. And the reason I haven't is because I don't want the comments. I feel that if someone has to say something about the way I look, I don't need to know that person ever. I didn't really want to say that in public before, but that's truly how I feel. We've become such a divisive society, judging each other on looks, color, orientation, that we're incapable of looking beyond to see who the person is. In my doing this, meaning this series on the trust communities, I'm sharing with you my honest, real self, real person, not AI. In fact, none of this is even scripted. It's just coming from the top of my head. I'm sharing with you what I do to make money. We all need money. Maybe you don't, I do. To pay the bills, to pay the taxes, especially to run the business, to eat, to have a roof over our heads, and that's the basics. My intention with these videos is to share the building of trust communities and not to get overhyped, overexcited, specifically happy at any given moment, like, ooh, isn't this cool? It's none of that. It's to show you what is possible for your business, what is possible for your community. These videos are specific. They're speaking to the person who says, I don't have the time to figure out how to build this community. I need one. I want one. I know what I have is valuable. And I want to build trust. That's who this is for. It's also for the person who wants to invest in their business. And investment means you are ultimately responsible for making your business profitable, productive, and most of all, trustworthy. So let's take a dive into the trust communities that I'm building.